Today I'm going to show you how to make bath bombs and bath.
Hi friends, let's start the video. Today we are going to make bath bombs. So first of all, take a small container for in which we will make it. This is cornstarch. This is cornstarch. This is citric acid, and this is sodium bicarbonate. So we need twice of sodium bicarbonate and 1/2 of citric acid and 1 part cornstarch. And this is colorant. I have used orange color and pink color. This is jojoba oil for mixing it, and this is the essential oil. These are the two favorites which I always uses. This is the Night Queen and the other one is the Champa. You can use any flavor, whichever you like. So let's take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of citric acid, carbonate or baking soda, so let's drink. So mix it well. Mix it. Yeah. So let's mix it well in such a way there is no lumps in it, and I will be adding some color to it. So I will add just a little bit of color and mix it. And you can add essential oil also. Just a little bit of essential oil. And this champa oil. You can measure it. It might be fine 1 ml. I've just done it many times, so now it has become. Mixing is very important. I'm just preferring to add some orange color also. See it, yeah? Fizziness, and just we are dropping the water, and how beautiful the bubbles are coming out. You can just add water to enjoy the bubble bath. The kids love this. Please try it at home and tell me how was the reaction of your child. Friends, let's start a video where today we will be making bath soil. So here are the few ingredients which we need. This is sea salt. This is pink Himalayan salt. This is sodium bicarbonate. This is for flavor. I have the vanilla acids and lavender acids an empty jar, colorants, the mica colors. These are all of your own choice. So let's start. So friends, let's first of all we will take a small jar. We will put the sea salt. Here I am taking half cup of sea salt, and I will add here. I will add 5 gram of Himalayan pink salt, little bit of baking soda, and now we will mix it. So let's mix it properly. You can also add the dry rose petals, or any other leaves if you find it. But right now I'm keeping it plain. I'm just will be adding colors. So I will take this smells very good. A little bit of essence and a little bit of lavender essential oil. Here I will take few drops, 5 to 7 drops. You know, it's very important that you have some essential oil of your own choice, because that's very good and it adds a very beautiful fragrance. So our bath salt is ready. Now we will pour it in a jar like this. And keep it. While bathing, you should add a little bit of bath salt to your bathtub or bucket. And that's it. Just can see it. It's a fantastic smell and fragrance is coming. Just love it.